This video is all about frying pan sizes. I'm going to show you the 3 most common sizes and help you decide which one is right for you. Before we take a closer look at these pans, the first thing you need to know is how frying pan sizes work. When you're shopping and you see a pan listed as 10 inches or 12 inches, that number refers to the pan's diameter from rim to rim. Since the measurement is taken at the top of the wall on each side of the pan, the size displayed doesn't accurately reflect the actual size of the flat cooking surface. As a general rule, the cooking surface of a standard fry pan is about 2 to 3 inches smaller in diameter than the pan's listed size. In other words, most 12-inch pans have a 9 to 10-inch flat cooking surface. Now let's take a closer look at these 3 pans. We have an 8-inch, a 10-inch, and a 12-inch. One of the most important factors to consider when choosing the size of your frying pan is the number of people you'll be cooking for. As you can see, the 8-inch pan is good for 1 grilled sandwich, 3 fried eggs, and 1 chicken breast. The 10-inch pan can fit 2 sandwiches, about 5 eggs, and 2 chicken breasts. The 12-inch pan can fit 3 sandwiches, about 6 eggs, and 3 chicken breasts. Another factor to consider is the type of food you're cooking. For example, frying, browning, and roasting require plenty of room. If you overcrowd a small pan, moisture from the ingredients will cause a steaming effect which makes it difficult to brown and sear. Other foods like eggs and omelets do better when cooked in a smaller space. Keeping eggs contained makes them thicker and fluffier. Also, if the pan is too big and you only use a small portion of it, the areas that aren't touching food can get too hot and scorch and discolor the pan. Another factor is weight. Obviously, the bigger the pan, the heavier it will be. If you're buying a cast iron pan, which is the heaviest material, you'll want to be especially mindful of this. On average, a 10-inch cast iron pan weighs 5 pounds and a 12-inch pan weighs 8 pounds. Ultimately, the right choice depends on your needs. I would only buy an 8-inch frying pan for eggs and really quick meals like a single grilled cheese. If you have the budget and the storage space, I recommend buying a 10-inch nonstick pan for eggs and other quick meals, and a 12-inch stainless steel or cast iron pan for searing, roasting, frying, and larger meals. If you plan on buying only one pan, go with the 12-inch because it's more versatile and can handle larger batches. You can always cook less food in a large pan, but overcrowding a small pan won't produce great results.